In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install a Ctrader robot. We'll walk through setting up a fresh robot, also known as a CBot, inside Ctrader Desktop and get it ready for testing on a safe demo environment. Start by launching Ctrader Desktop. Make sure you're on the desktop application, not the web version, since the tools we need live here. It's always a good idea to let the platform update first so you're working with the latest features and bug fixes. Once Ctrader is open, head to the left sidebar and click Automate, which you might also know as Calgo. This opens the dedicated workspace where your robots and indicators live, with a code editor and a panel for building, testing, and running your CBots. Next, click New and choose CBot. This creates a new robot project and prepares a starter template. It's the clean slate you'll use to set up the logic that will run your trading strategy. Give your CBot a clear, descriptive name and click Create. A name that reflects the strategy or indicator used will help you stay organized later when you have multiple bots. You'll see the project structure and a default class ready to be customized. Before changing anything, take a moment to understand the basic structure. A CBot typically has lifecycle methods like onStart, where things initialize, and event-driven sections, such as onBar or onTick, where the robot reacts to market data. You'll also see parameters at the top that let you control settings without editing code later, and a log you can use to understand what the bot is doing as it runs. Now, add an indicator to guide your decisions. You can instantiate a built-in indicator, such as a moving average or RSI, and store its values so your robot can read them as the market updates. Be mindful of the symbol and time frame you're targeting, so your indicator aligns with your testing setup. With your indicator in place, add trading logic. This is where you define entry and exit rules, position sizing, and risk controls like stop loss and take profit. Keep your conditions explicit and include checks to avoid duplicate orders or conflicting positions. Clear, well-structured logic makes backtesting results much more trustworthy. Click Build to compile your CBot. If you see errors, read them carefully. They'll point you to the exact line that needs attention. A clean build means your robot is ready to test. Select your CBot in the list and click Backtesting. Choose the symbol, time frame, date range, and realistic trading costs. Run the test, review the equity curve, drawdowns, and trade list, and iterate as needed. Finally, run on demo first. Attach the CBot to a demo chart, start it, watch the logs, and confirm it behaves as expected before considering live use.